Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Anonymous Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass iPhone 5s to iPhone X iOS version 14.7 and 14.7.1. Every bypass need jailbreak first. So I already did jailbreak, and in my previous video I already teach you how to jailbreak any device from 5s to iPhone 5s to X using checkran. So I will show you the bypass method, how to bypass the device, and I will give link in the description of my Telegram account and checkran method how to jailbreak. After jailbreak, we use the IFRP file tool, which I downloaded from its official website. Here you can see I downloaded from its official website frpfile.com. I just downloaded it using Google Drive, Mediafire, and Mega, and the password of unzip is FRP file. So I will unzip it or extract it. As I extract it need password. I type IFRP file and then just OK. As the extraction complete, I will open the folder of IFRP file tool 2.7.1 and will open the exe file. Here you can see my iPhone is connected, but its battery is very low and it's not connected. Here you can see. So as the device will be connected, it shows a status there. As my device is not connected, that's why it shows no device connected. Just click on OK. Here all the options are off. You just have to connect your device and then just click here to register free. You first have to register your serial number and then click on that. After clicking on this link, you have to register your iPhone using your IMI, and then just click here to register. As you click on it, you have to wait for 30 seconds. As 30 seconds complete, I will show you how to register it. 10 seconds remaining. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We just enter the serial number, anything which is. You just have to put the serial number there and just click on submit, and your device will be registered. And then connect the device. So you can enter any serial number to register your device. It's free. You can see the message registered for free, and then just scroll down and then just close the application and then again open the exe file, and your iPhone will be registered on it. Its battery is very low, it's not charged. So after that, you used the multiple options: bypass, hello screen, remove jailbreak. So you just have to click on bypass hello method, because FRP file tool support untethered jailbreak without SIM, without GSM. So it's free tool to use and jailbreak iPhone in iOS 14.7 and 14.7.1. If you have any query, any question, or if you want any help, you can you can message me on my Telegram account. I will give link in the description of my Telegram account. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please support me. If you want any permanent iCloud remove service, you can message me on Telegram. I have available all the services. Thank you for watching my video.